Hey, what's up guys, Ibrahim Stuck here, back in with a new video. So in this video, I've got the Samsung Buds Live and we're going to be unboxing them and I'm going to be telling you guys what I think about it. So let's get started with the video. The box comes with a USB-C cable to charge the case of the earphones and they also support wireless charging. The black actually looks kinda nice and the case is just a bit bigger than the AirPods Pro's case, but you won't really notice it because it can still fit any of the pockets and stuff, which is quite nice. And the buds themselves are really comfortable when you're wearing them. When it comes to sound, they sound really good for earbuds. They also work with iPhone, which is pretty good. These buds can charge on back of the Samsung device, one of the newer ones. Either ways, that's been it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll catch you guys very soon in the next one. Peace.